These pots are super boring at the same level. If I could raise one or both, it would look so much better. So I just got this adjustable plant stand, and I'm going to use it on the white pot to make this all look a little better. This is really cute. It comes with gloves and these tiny gardening tools, completely unexpected. Now the pieces themselves have a bit of shine to them. I went with the dark wood. I think it looks really nice. And why I got these in particular is because they are adjustable. So I can start small and I can adjust them out quite a bit to fit a variety of pot sizes. So let's put this together. And it comes with all the hardware you need. This is how it looks. Each of these can expand out. So it can expand out quite a bit, and it will look nice with the expansion. Let's see it on my white pot. So there it is high up, or I can flip it like this, and it's a little lower down, so these two pots actually go together a little more. I absolutely love it. I love that it's adjustable. I think it looks really good.